Tonight, I'm going to show you everything you need to make butterbeer fudge. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. If you're a fan of The Boy Who Lived, you'll know that May 2nd is International Harry Potter Day. A favorite beverage in the wizarding world is butterbeer, which is described as tasting a little like butterscotch. I thought it would be fun to make a treat similar to a foamy mug of butterbeer, not only in taste, but in appearance. So the plan is to top a layer of butterscotch fudge with a layer of vanilla fudge and see how it turns out. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own butterbeer fudge, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. And if you stick around after the recipe, there's something special I'd like to share. For the butterscotch layer, I'm using 2 cups of butterscotch chips, 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk, 8 teaspoons of butter, and 2/3 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. For the vanilla layer, I'm using 1 cup of white chocolate chips, 1/2 cup of sweetened condensed milk, 4 teaspoons of butter, and 1/3 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm also using an 8x8 pan, some parchment, a microwave-safe bowl, and a spatula. Okay, let's make some candy. Line the baking pan and set it aside. Place the butterscotch chips, sweetened condensed milk, and butter in a bowl and microwave it for 30 seconds. Let it set for a minute and give it a good stir. If the chips or butter aren't fully melted, continue microwaving in 30-second intervals until everything is melted and smooth. Pour the fudge into the baking pan, spread it evenly, then put it in the refrigerator while you make the vanilla fudge. This next step is critical, at least it was in my case. Remember that you forgot to add the vanilla. Then retrieve the fudge from the refrigerator, return it to the bowl, add the vanilla, mix until it's fully incorporated, pour the fudge into the baking pan, spread it evenly, then return it to the fridge. Or, just don't forget to add the vanilla in the first place. Now we can make the vanilla fudge following the same process as the butterscotch fudge, except for the vanilla bit. Pour the vanilla fudge over the butterscotch layer and spread it evenly. Then place it in the refrigerator until the fudge is completely set. Remove the fudge from the pan and cut it into whatever size pieces you'd like. And that's it. Okay, let's give it a taste. Sláinte. Okay, this is some of the best fudge I have ever made. Nice and creamy, melts in your mouth. The butterscotch and vanilla combine to make a kind of butterscotch cream, which is absolutely amazing. This is definitely going on my favorites list. If you're looking for a fudge that you'll want to Wingardium Leviosa straight into your mouth, you really ought to try these. Okay, that was bad. I'll admit it. Well, compadres, we've reached a milestone. Or I should say, you've reached a milestone. A couple of days before filming this episode, I noticed that just over 5,000 of you compadres have subscribed to the channel. It's huge and amazing, and I never would have predicted it. So I just wanted to take a second here and thank you for your support. When I see that you're watching the videos, subscribing, and especially leaving comments, it just, well, it means a lot. Thank you very much. You're the best. Well, compadres, we've reached just over 5,000 of you compadres have I can't even say it.